Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to convert a PDF file into editable Google Docs. So let's begin the video. At first, open your Google Drive. Now click the New button in the top left corner. Now from the menu, select File Upload. Now choose the PDF file from your computer and wait for it to finish uploading. Once the upload is complete, find the PDF in your Google Drive. Now right-click on the PDF and select Open With. Then from the list, click on Google Docs. Google Doc will automatically convert the PDF into editable docs file. You can now edit the text, add or remove content, and add format the document just like any other Google Docs. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.